Hello everybody, today we're at 350 North Court Street in Lapeer, Michigan. And we have an elevator here. This might be a Lardner. It's a Detroit. Nice. Let's go to 3. This is nice. Very nice. We'll go to 3 one more time. Let's take a look at the call button. Awesome. This is a nice elevator. Oops. Oh, the sensor. There's no sensors on this thing. Sorry that. There's no sensors on this thing. Just the bumper. Alright, now we'll go down to 1. And door does not close when you press the button. Oh, I'm sorry. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Now we